So I just picked up the shocks for my Ford Ranger. The model number will be up on the screen, and I'm excited. These are the lifted shocks. And so you'll see right off the bat here, yes, that's just a generic image that they use, but you can see that my Rancho shocks are pretty good quality. They come with a nice shock boot to prevent dirt from going in. And I pulled the boot off just so you could see the way it's manufactured. That would be the bottom. This again is a non-torsion bar type shock. If you have the torsion bar, I will send a different link if you're interested. But this is a non-torsion bar shock, and you can see here that the sleeve has actually been removed, and instead they have a nice thick rod. The body is thicker than the stock Ford Ranger shocks, so that allows more heat absorption and better compression ratio. And then you can see that the shocks are actually extended because, again, this is being put on a lifted truck, which is why we're reviewing this, just showing you what's in the box. And so you can see here it also includes your bushings, your bolts, and nuts. So it comes with everything you need, unlike those cheap Monroe shocks that are out there, which would be hyperextended in no time if you put a lift on your truck. They're pretty good quality. I'm excited. Don't forget to use your zip tie around the shock boot, otherwise this will be increasing the amount of dirt that's inside rather than reducing it. But that's just an unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed.